Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to transfer Notcoin from Tonkeeper to OKX. So please follow the steps to the end in order to succeed in this transaction. We're going to go over to our OKX wallet and then we're going to look for deposit crypto over here because this is our homepage and we can select deposit crypto. You're then going to select the asset. So we're looking for Notcoin and we'll select it. And Notcoin has just about one network, so we're going to select the Ton network. And here it says not Ton deposit, require the comment to be filled in your withdrawal platform. Otherwise, you will lose your assets. Okay, so it means that we need to pay close attention to the deposit address and the comment. The comment is a numeric comment. So we're going to first of all copy the deposit address. It's best to use it this way so you don't make a mistake. And now we're going to go over to Tonkeeper. Now in our Tonkeeper, we're going to tap on Not, and then we're going to click on Send. And here we're going to paste the address which we copied from our OKX. Now you can see the required comment. We're going to go back to OKX, and you can see the comment here. You could simply tap on the copy icon here, and you can see it's copied to the clipboard. And back to Tonkeeper, we're going to tap on it and paste what we copied in our clipboard. The next thing to do is to click on Continue, put in the amount of a Notcoin that you'd like to transfer into your OKX, and say you want to continue. Here is a summary of your transaction. If you're fine with what you're seeing here, all you need to do is to confirm and send. When this is clicked, it will take a few moments, and then you will have your Notcoin from your Tonkeeper in your OKX wallet. So this is a step-by-step guide on how to transfer Notcoin from your Tonkeeper to OKX.